Good morning guys! It is Saturday and today is Baby Celine's birthday celebration. So kaninang umaga, sobrang busy si mami nyo guys. Nagluto ako. I'm very happy kasi kagabi niluto ko na yung spaghetti, ginawa ko na yung fruit salad. So this morning, yung ginawa ko na lang is yung tocino na minarinate ko last night and yung chicken adobo. So, ngayon, aalis si mami nyo. Actually, nakaligo na pala ako. Ready na ako, guys. Ready na si mami nyo for today. Pupunta muna tayo sa shops ngayon. Kasi, chika ko sa inyo. Alam nyo ba yung binili natin na balloon na Baby Celine kahapon? Yung number 3 na nilagyan natin ng helium. Oh my God, kahapon kasi sobrang mahangin guys. So nung nilabas si Daddy Mike dito, parang nabutas siya ng nahit yung puno na yan. So pagkarating namin sa taas, wala nang hangin. So that's a waste. It was actually $15. No, sayang naman yun, oy. But wala na tayong magagawa doon. So since ready na lahat yung sa taas, pagbalik ko mamaya, i-ready ko lang yung mga girls. But ngayon, bibili tayo ng, yun na nga, yung balloon. Tapos, bibili din tayo ng ice and some more drinks and that. Si Daddy Mike yung naiwan sa mga girls doon sa taas. So, I've got this now. Yung 3 na balloon. Tapos, some balloons for the games. And I'll get this candle for the cake. Oopsie daisy. Ano pa ba yung kailangan ko dito? Yes. Kailangan natin to for the cake. Ako na talaga ang hindi nagdala ng basket. Okay, 1, 2. Let's go. Kuha nga muna ako ng basket. Napahirapan ko yata yung sarili ko. Ito for the fruit salad. I was hoping mas maliit. Anyways, ito pang chips or lollies. Ayan. I got all the drinks, guys. Actually, may binili na kami kahapon ng mga drinks pa. Baka magkulang. So, ayan. Got some more like popcorn. And then, ako na talaga guys, I worry too much. Kaya bumili ako ng roast chicken kasi baka makulang yung pagkain. Daddy Mike says, okay lang, huwag kang mag-problema. Ang ating balloon ay nandyan. Palipad-lipad lang siya. Ito pala yung SK na gagamitin namin guys. So, ayan yung mga napamili ko. Bumili na rin ako ng ice sa petrol station. 2, I think that's enough naman. So, ilalagay ko na yung ice dito, tsaka yung ibang drinks actually. Para, tapos iiwan ko dito. Wala namang kukuha dito. Kasi sa likuran na sasakyan. Just good. Nagbubulag-bubulag. Tingnan niyo ang eyes, oh. Paano ba ito ngayon? Kailangan itong biatin. Here's our birthday girl. How cute is Lainey? Hi lang. Look. Binihisan ko na siya, guys. Tignan nyo. Kanyang dress na may butterflies. And, oh, these hair clips. To die for. So beautiful, my princess. Kaya lang, kasi itong shoes niya, guys, hindi. Alam niyo ba, sinuot mo ito niya sa pagtulog. Kaya, nagka-blister siya. Ngayon, hindi niya maisuot yung isa. Yung isa, okay. Hi.
Hello.
So, we're all ready to go. And Ate Paris is also dressed now, too.
Not yet, Mommy.
Hmm?
You have to do this first.
Okay, please show me how you do it. So, ayan na ang aming mga food. My fruit bindaan, guys. So, we're gonna go pick up our pizza.
Huh?
Here's our ate.
We should work out how to do this.
Show me. Whoa, beautiful girls.
Try it.
Okay, thank
I
you.
love seaweed.
Mm-hmm.
I want some too.
Oh, give her one lang. See if she likes it.
We should work out how
Ang
we're gonna.
cute na sa Lynn. Oy, Ana! You're so gorgeous, puppy! Ate too.
Tea. Tea.
The baby on the bus go wah 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 wah. The baby on the bus go wah 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 all through the town. So guys, I practiced my guitar.
How about happy birthday?
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Celine. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Yay! Good job. Very good singing and guitar, ate.
I practiced.
So, it's now 1:30, guys. Daddy Mike is outside. Okay, pipick upin na natin ang ating pizza. Maaga kami
Yummy
dito.
pizza.
You like pizza?
That hot.
Hot pizza, yeah.
Blow it.
You have to blow it, yes. So, apart sa mga niluto ko kagabi, guys, dinagdagan namin ng pizza kasi you'll never know, baka kulangin. Ako lang nagluto-luto, diba? So, hopefully, we'll have enough for everyone.
To you. Happy birthday to you, Daddy. What song do you want me to do, Mama? I'm happy birthday.
You already sang happy birthday lang. What's the other one that you like?
ABCD.
Oh, okay. ABCD, ate.
A, B, C, D, H, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, Y, U, Z, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Now with D, we'll fly away with D.
Good job. We're here now, guys. Oh my God, we're very lucky with the weather. Tingnan
Paris
niyo.
sprint.
Huh?
Like sprint Paris.
Because this was the last place they could do.
Really? Oh yeah, because that one is... Oh, yeah. Tingnan nyo, ano kami, nakakita kami ng table namin kasi doon, puno.
As fast as I can.
Yeah?
Like, as fast as I can.
Yeah.
And then I got it.
So good ate. Good job. See? Look at the water. Oh, beautiful.
Actually,
Anak, bulingita, gudi mo lang.
Should I stack these, double stack these ones? Because they're for spaghettis.
Daddy, can I stop one?
So to make them more table.
Daddy, can I have one? Daddy, can I have one?
No, no,
Can I
no,
have,
no.
can I have, Mama, can I have one?
No.
Yeah, actually not.
That's not for a drink. That's what I get one. I'll bring the ice cream.
Can I help?
Yeah, of course. This one you can Take out that one, put it on the side. Here. Like, thank you. Yeah.
Mommy, open these. Mommy, open them, or do you want me to just leave the plastic in front of me?
Yeah, maybe you can take. Open them.
Mommy, I'm scared.
Scared?
No, the cockroach.
Where's the cockroach? Okay.
Running this out, yeah?
It's in the thing. We break it up.
You can start running it,
I'll do these.
Anna, can you take that one?
Ah, Mommy! You hurt my head.
Sorry.
I can't get off. I need to Actually, I want to do that later. I'll do the cups later. I'll do the cups.
Everything is ready now, guys. Hinihintay na lang namin yung aming
And this one.
kotse and camera Celine. Kotse red-handed. Yung mga bisita na lang yung hinihintay namin. Fruit. Blueberries. Tawag nito watermelon tsaka strawberries. Yan. And then, ito dalawang ganito yung niluto ko na spaghetti. Yan. So, we have popcorn there. Tapos, dalawang ganitong rice din, guys. Tapos, tocino. And then, the chicken. And the fruit salad. Ayan. Lollies. And, what else? Ito. Chicken. And we have the cake there. Ayan. Aba? You're sorted. You're shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Say hi. Hi. Huh? How about me first? How are you?
How are you? Good?
Yeah, good, good. Thank you.
So hot today.
Yeah, beautiful day.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh. Hello.
Good looking tips.
Sorry, we're late, channel. Filipino tante.
I know. We were very conscious because like Nat said last time, he said like, oh, don't be late to your own party. Because you know we always,
Oh my gosh.
because we always arrive late every time we get together.
Yeah.
So it's like, oh,
come on.
we'll make sure we get there too.
Make it. Hello. Hey, 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 man. Sun is so strong today.
Yeah.
How are you?
How are you?
Good.
How you going? Yeah, good, man. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad.
Everyone's starting to arrive now, guys. Hi, Sajoy.
Hello.
Oh my goodness. Lucky girl. Go, have a look. Uy. Ano nila yan? Naulaw siya, anak. Nilayas mo siya. Ay,
Ano eh, di ko rin mo mabalibaran kay... Ano?
Baby.
dagang yung mong milyonis dia.
Oh.
Ay, imo. Ngayon ta ko ba?
Hi. Hello.
Celine! Mga nainit na ang taon akong ay mo na lang ni ang adlaw na lang mag-init sa pagkaon. Kay mura ganina ra ni buntag. Wala imong nagawa ganito. Microwave. Microwave. Ano tayo natin?
Ambot lang kung ka-function siya. Kano hikapan.
Lini!
Tungtung dire ang mga adobo para mo.
Lagi ka ba? Ay, wala mong kusukat ani good.
Libre ni siya.
Social ba? Yung ngani na libre ra. Celine! Baba! Ano? May man pa mag... Grabe kay ka-oily ti ay, maligyas man akong kamera.
Tol! Dito ka pa pala. Alam mo ba?
Kaya ate.
Hi, how are you, Jack?
Di pala. Mabuti hindi pa ako nag-shopping kahapon.
Yun nga din yung Celine!
Buti na tumawag si Jojo Ate Pel. Hindi, may birthday kasi bukas. Hindi tayo pwede mag-dinner. Shit.
Happy birthday! No, I was with their party.
Alay!
That's exactly what I said from a few days ago. What?
Ang sarap, ang sagingan. What did you say?
I already have that. I already have that.
Ungrateful.
Sorry about that. Now you have two.
Can I have it then?
Oh my God, Celine!
What else do you have?
Oh my God, such a lucky girl. Okay, I'll help you.
Oh!
Oh
my gosh, that's so cute.
Oh, look at that.
She's got an air wrap.
Oh, no. Can I?
She has an air wrap. I don't even have one.
Yeah, I've been wanting one.
Me, I've been wanting to.
It's too expensive.
It's like $1,000 or something.
Do you know Layla could have got 40% off the air wrap? Really? As of, yeah, but then last month they changed the Becca policy.
in home.
At home, yeah. You can bring it there. Hey, put it back in the thing. Go.
You have more over there. Go. Go open. Open.
I'm gonna do it in home. You not there.
Beautiful girl.
That's the makeup.
Simpleng lang. Kailangan natin.
What's that?
Yeah, you can bring it there, Baba. Oh.
Ang amo ni Kalula ko namin.
Ah, thank you, Te. Te, hi, sila, Te. Tingnan niyo, nagdala si Ate Feli ng photo. Oh, diba? Sarap-sarap, guys. Lini, look at this.
Oh, what's that? Oh, I like that. That's so soft.
Yeah. I can use this. I can use
There
this.
you go.
Oh my God, show me.
It's Belle.
Oh,
and then look. I got you a dress matching with it. What if that fits you?
Oh my God.
Don't throw it in. There you go. And then look. You also got a tiara.
Oh wow. Celine, such a lucky girl. Okay. She's like, "Oh, what am I gonna do? Where am I gonna put all this?
That's sweet.
Okay, you can put it in the bag.
In the
And
bag.
then we can open it at home, okay? Yay.
I
You say,
open this and hold.
yeah, you say thank you to Tita Joy first.
No worries. Can I give that? Yay!
Yeah, good girl. And have a look at this. Do you wanna see this?
I wanna play.
That's how Ethan does his legs.
I don't know how to play that.
Oh my God.
They let you do this?
What is this?
Baby, I'll put that here, B. Okay, no, go. I'll put it in the bag, ha?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, you love it.
Look, they're playing now, oh. Tignan nyo, oh, may sapatos pa na yung aso nila dito, oh. Sus, kasosyal. Ako dani magtiniil, ang aso man naka Air Jordan. Nakabungga ba ni Rexy?
Si EJ mo na napalit. Apat kasit, tulo kasit. Yeah.
Ano mo?
Apa si Nina? Oh.
Ay, shush, ano kasi muna nga ni, oh.
Come,
Come.
come here. Oh,
Ala, cute kaayo.
Jordan.
Lupigan man taan ni Rixie oy.
And a 2 week, and it's like 3 months.
What is it again, Anton? What did you say?
The spaghetti was so good. Look,
Heard it all. Killed it, man.
you heard it here first. Yes.
So guys, all my cousins. Look. Oh.
Cousins, you're my auntie.
Shut up. You're my grandpa. What you there? What's this? What's this? Random. Random.
I'm from Post Korea.
Second cousin.
No, she's our first cousin once
He's from that party.
She was removed from my cousin.
No, you're our first cousin once removed.
Gini ba? Kano sila ka-get mo dati?
Because like,
I don't know how it works. But in Bisaya, no, in Bisaya is ano, where igagaw sa pinag-agawan. Igagaw sa pinag-igagawan. Because our parents are our first
To
cousins.
me, that translated as like cousin.
you fought with.
So that's why.
How would you say it?
No, once removed means like the children of your cousin, of that cousin.
Once removed. I've never heard that before. Once removed. Yeah. Further. Explain further.
I'm googling.
Okay, so our parents are our first cousins. But you are first cousins because your parents are
Hey, you guys
Siblings.
you're playing, you know?
so
Yes.
you know.
If your first cousin has a child,
Because you guys are gonna
child
have like a
is
bachelor party, right?
your first cousin once removed.
wanna go?
Oh no, hang on. You're our mom,
I'm
you're
gonna be
our
to a guy
parents'
trip for one.
first cousin once removed, which means
No, it's not me. No, it's not me. Because our mom, your mom and my mom, they're first cousins.
yeah. So you're my mom's first cousin once removed, but to us,
Second removed.
Let me.
yes, no.
This business.
I'm sorting this out.
Using guys.
You know what? We're cousins. Okay? We're
That's
cousins.
all we know. We're cousins.
It's probably you've got like you've been removed and you came back.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, reinsert.
It goes at the end of the day. It goes like this.
Yeah, at the end of the day, we're family. We love each other. Dan, how's my cooking?
It was really good,
Yeah?
especially this thing.
Oh, wow. Tocino. Thank you. Sure to? Sure to? What yung patabay ko? Ah, okay. Look at this birthday girl. Nagpalayo sa celebration. Dai, Celine just want peace. I don't want... Hi, Seth.
They have me.
You help me. Careful because you might fall ba. You'll hurt yourself. Celine! Oh, where is this bike?
Biyaman ka dahil, may tagabantay ka dahil.
I know. Kung ano biyak ka ron?
Dahil malumpat ito dahil.
Hi, nak. Yung birthday to. Manad ko nak. Oh, ngayon naman ka dali. Exercise?
Sir?
Kind of free? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Light the candles.
There's no candle. You're missing candle. Yeah.
Brazil.
Brazil.
Every time you say
Nessa data querida, muita felicidade, muitos anos de vida.
That's alright. I can get it.
Yeah.
I would get it, but I'm quite burdened. I get it, but I'm really challenged.
Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan.
Just like broke up.
Happy birthday. Bisaya? I don't even know. Meron sa Tagalog.
Maayong bati.
Maayong bati.
Hey!
Hey!
Baby! Saling!
Alright. Nak, break your thing lang. Your cake. Smash it. Smash it.
Gayati, punch it.
It's very. Oh no.
Hey!
Yeah.
Someone can sing happy birthday in Bisaya.
Pila to? Pila? How much? $100. How many? Ay, maayong adlaw na tauhan. Ala, kabin na, walang ganda ka ba? Mayong adlaw na tasak to bitaw to, mayong adlaw na tauhan, di ba?
Ate, Gatan.
I forget the age of the place.
Left foot.
On red. You gotta put your foot on red, Celine. Put your foot on the red.
And you're gonna stay there like a robot, like a statue.
My turn.
Statue.
I win. Always a competition.
Alright, left hand on yellow. Mine, me, it's me. Right foot on red. So if that's your right foot, change it from yellow to red.
You're gonna do breakdancing. Put your
Yellow for mommy.
Paris, you just qualified for the Olympics.
Okay, for daddy. Okay, Happy's turn.
Oh, what a game. This is fun.
Left hand on yellow.
I think we should do the smart ass bob.
No, it's not for kids.
Huh?
It's not for kids. I looked at the questions already. Left foot on yellow, mommy.
Anak, kalanak, you won't be able to breathe. Again, happy birthday. Again.
Happy birthday to
Ah, it's a prank. Oh, this is beautiful.
Okay, ready?
It's beautiful. Come on. Okay, go. Okay. Again. What are you doing? Yeah, it's with you, not me. I'll put you with the
Yeah. Good. Finish.
Good job.
Let's go home.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's fun.
Paris, are you coming?
That's a mission.
Then make sure you watch that footage closely.
Hello, vlog.
Yeah,
we're gonna
something
go get
happened?
ice cream.
Oh no.
Oh, okay. Paris!
Well, clearly you have a flat, baby.
You've done well, Tito. Thank you for the photo. So yum. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Most especially for your presence. Hi!
I have to airdrop you.
Oh, yes.
Hi guys, we're going home.
Ingat.
Okay, bye. We didn't get a chance.
Okay.
Thank you. No, thank you, To. Thank you for coming.
Thank
To.
you. Happy birthday, Mike. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Tito. Thank you, ha. Thank you, Juby. Thank you, Ta. Take care, ha. Thank you, Tito. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you, Juby.